Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Matamoe. Matamoe is a ransomware that we found while checking the VirusTotal page for recently submitted malware samples. It was found that Matamoe encrypts files and then appends the Matamoe extension to the file names, changes the desktop wallpaper, and creates a special ransom note. The video will demonstrate to you how damaging the ransomware is. So before the ransomware attack, of course, you can open the files without any complications. Unfortunately, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this Matamoe ransomware may be easily injected into the device, and pretty soon you discover that you are no longer able to open your files anymore because of the files being encrypted. So now, at the lapse of some time, you see some strange things happening. The ransomware places this ransomware note on your desktop. It changes the desktop background, and as I said, it also encrypts your files and adds a special Matamoe extension to them. So when you try to open this specific file, you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Matamoe extension. Paying the ransom for the file restoration is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored, so please don't ever pay the ransom, because you may simply waste your money for nothing. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable security program, reliable anti-ransomware tool that is called Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. This is the official page of Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware. So download Combo Cleaner antivirus, anti-ransomware through this official website. Use this green button to download the installer, run the installer. After it gets installed, click on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode. So in the trial mode, only the quick scan option is available, but that is sufficient enough to detect this Matamoe ransomware. The scanning itself might take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is, and also depending on how many hard drives are connected to your device. Speaking about Combo Cleaner as anti-ransomware, it has got the excellent feature called anti-ransomware, which allows you to add one or several folders on the system that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license. At the end of the scanning, of course, you will see the summary of all the threats that were revealed. Combo Cleaner will help you to know their locations on the system. And we strongly advise that you upgrade to premium to delete all these threats altogether and automatically. It's the best way to keep your data always protected in the future.